Hi everyone, it's DJ Gonzo.
So that ride was fun.
Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my...
Yes. Alright.
Bro, why is he all of a sudden go?
He disconnected.
I'm like an NPC, like
Like you look confused.
He's disconnected.
Shit.
What's up, Brendan?
I'm here posing with this magnificent view in EC Irvine. On the other side, they're posing for a picture to get some extra points for the challenge.
That's Alex and Chloe. This is Tyra's older sister. Her name is Tiffany. This is Isaac. His name is Isaac.
God.
He ran out of juice.
Walk all the way around this campus doing this.
How am I not to say something about
He disconnected.
He disconnected.
So, you know, if you don't get financial aid, then there's no other recourse for you and you want to continue your academics. But there are, like, resources. So down here, where is it? Down here, like the cultural center, they'll have, like, free food for you. That can be a service for you. And then you could probably talk to someone about it, or maybe you can make a friend and they'll let you like have some couch for free.
When I was in college, at every apartment we had at least one couch sleeper per semester. It just happens. They show up, they sleep on a couch for a semester, they find somewhere else, then you get another one. And you know, if you can help out, you help out. All right, guys. So
It's way cheaper.
Bookstore is there.
Bought a pink champion sweater with lanyards and shit, and a UC Irvine. Went back here.
Alright, we're in out right now. We're getting the meats and grits, and we're gonna head to Disneyland right after this. We just came from UC Irvine, and yeah.
Mo's just chilling over there, bro.
I've been balling out, boy, it ain't no major. I can never
So we're at Disneyland. We're about to enter Disneyland, the actual Disneyland, not downtown Disney. We got these hopper passes, you know what I'm saying? So, works for 2 days.
What are we doing?
We are at Disneyland.
Nice.
Do it.
Chad, how do you feel?
I feel afraid because of the rides.
Look, guys.
I hate heights.
He disconnected.
Yeah, look at that castle. It's so real.
I can order what the?
Yeah, honestly, this pasta, I feel like, yeah, Isaac's right. It's a better choice.
Alright guys, currently we just ate, and the night show in Disneyland.
Do it.
Bust down, Tatiana, bust down.
So, I lost my wallet. I lost 12 bucks here in California Adventure. with Noah, Thomas, Samir, Daisy, Paige, Alex, Chloe, and Isaac, and Senor Gonzo.
He just looks at us right.
Laren, don't leave us.
For you right now. Hi everyone, it's DJ Gonzo and his crew from A-Push. Alright, so we're swinging right now. Oh man.
That's just the whole clip.
We're not at the very top just yet, but I think yeah, this is kind of nerve-wracking. We're above water.
Oh.
Some of us were just thinking about if we fell, we're locked in this cage and well, we'd probably die on impact at the bottom.
Yeah, what would happen if we just started jumping right now?
I don't want to do that.
So that ride was fun. Yeah. It was so cold though. I'm so tired. So cold.
Sleep now.
I know you cold. What's up, Brizzo?
So good right now.
We're out here in the grapevine, and there's hello snow everywhere.
Everyone hates each other.
Everyone fucking hates each other. So continuing on, guys. We're supposed to be home now, probably like after 3 in the morning, and it's cold. That man really just fell. Wait.
How do you focus? I forget how to focus.
But why?
Alex is so crazy, bro. Alex is so crazy. He knows it.
Alex.
What? No, back up. Okay. Freshman year, just a simple.
Alright guys, we're currently stuck on the road. We're in the bus right now. Everybody's just talking shit to each other.
The freeway is
Alex, what's your opinion on us being stuck on the road?
Yeah, it's BS. Yeah, everything went wrong all at once. Everything possibly then for every possible thing that could go wrong happened all at once. Yeah, it sucks. Yeah.
Anyways, that's gonna end the current. Remember guys, follow me on Instagram. It'll be right here. Hell yeah.
I like Jared because Jared.
okay. This is an end to our adventure together through colleges, Disneyland, and so. I know I didn't vlog that much towards the end of the field trip, just because I wanted to spend time and live the moment, you know. But thanks for talking along. Goodbye.